You're losing money every single time you drive your car or ride your bike. And the worst part, you don't even realize it. Because right now, your vehicle is secretly wasting fuel, and it has nothing to do with your engine. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple $2 trick that can instantly improve your mileage. And most mechanics won't tell you this. Gas prices keep going up. But what if I told you, most people are wasting 10% to 30% more fuel every single day, without even knowing it? You might be thinking, maybe my engine is getting old. Maybe it's the fuel quality. But the real reason is much simpler. Next time you look at your car or bike, check this one thing. Because if it's dirty, clogged, or ignored, your engine has to work harder, burn more fuel, and give you less mileage. And fixing it costs less than a cup of coffee. The $2 trick is cleaning your air filter. Yeah, that small part most people never think about. Your engine needs the perfect balance of air and fuel to run efficiently. But when your air filter gets packed with dust, dirt, and debris, it blocks airflow, which means less oxygen, more fuel burning, and worse mileage. So your vehicle literally starts drinking gas. Think about it like this. Imagine trying to run while breathing through a cloth. You'd get tired way faster, right? That's exactly what's happening to your engine. When it can't breathe properly, it burns more fuel just to keep going. And here's something crazy. A dirty air filter can reduce your fuel efficiency by up to 15%. That means if you're spending $100 on gas, you're basically throwing away $15 every single time. Now here's the good news. Fixing this is ridiculously easy. You don't need a mechanic, and you don't need any special tools. Just do this. Open your vehicle's air filter box, usually located near the engine. Take the filter out, and look at it closely. If it's dark, dusty, or clogged, that's your problem right there. Now you've got two options. You can clean it. Just tap it gently to knock out the dust, or use compressed air if you have it. Or you can replace it. A new one usually costs around $2 to $5, and the difference is immediate. Put it back in, close the box, and you're done. The next time you drive, you'll notice better acceleration, a smoother engine, and most importantly, better mileage. Some people notice the difference on the very first ride, and over time, this tiny fix can save you hundreds of dollars. But wait, if you really want to maximize your fuel savings, do these two extra things. First, keep your tire pressure at the correct level. Low pressure creates more resistance, which means your engine has to burn more fuel. Second, avoid sudden acceleration. Smooth driving saves more fuel than you think. So the next time it feels like your vehicle is using too much gas, don't blame the engine. Check the air filter first, because sometimes the smallest and cheapest fix makes the biggest difference. If you found this helpful, stick around for more simple, money-saving tips. Because smart people don't spend more. They fix smarter.